Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
A violent road rage incident turned deadly near Petco Park, leaving a 33-year-old man dead in the Gaslamp district. Brian Lee, 34, was arrested in Ontario, California, after allegedly brutally assaulting Yakob Abdalah of Midlothian, Illinois, following a minor traffic accident on June 26. This deadly confrontation highlights the growing threat of road rage-fueled violence on the streets. Dashcam footage and eyewitness accounts were pivotal in tracking down the suspect in this shocking case.
The sentencing phase of any trial is always very difficult, and today was no different. The family of the victim getting up and talking about a life cut way too short and the impossible void that they're forced to live with.
It has been 470 days since my Yakob was taken from me.
The words of a grieving mother before a judge as her son's killer is about to be sentenced.
I will never have another "I love you, Mom" from him. I will never get another hug or a kiss from him. I won't see his beautiful smile anymore.
35-year-old Byron Lee was found guilty of second-degree murder for the stabbing death of 34-year-old Yakob Abdalah on June 26, 2021. He was sentenced to the max, 16 years to life in prison.
I feel like my heart is dead. When people tell you it will get better with time, no, it doesn't get better. It doesn't get easier.
Abdalah was on vacation here in San Diego from Midlothian, Illinois. That's outside of Chicago. According to Deputy District Attorney Christina Eastman, the two men got into a confrontation on the road, which escalated into a road rage incident. Eastman said Lee followed Abdalah in his car, got out and stabbed him multiple times. Abdalah did not realize he was stabbed in the heart and tried to drive away and then passed out, crashing a few blocks away on First Street downtown. He died at a hospital. Lee fled the scene and was arrested 2 months later in Ontario and San Bernardino County. He had this to say in court.
Completely sorry, what had happened, but I also want them to know that I truly did not intend to take his life. I absolutely did not want to do that. That was not my intention.
Empty words for this grieving family. This is Abdallah's sister.
What is this all for? No one has the right to take someone's life. That man took Yakob from me, from my children, from my parents and family, just because the person who killed Yakob chose anger and turn around and follow him, giving our family a sentence of daily pain that has grown each day.
So again, 15 years to life in prison plus 1 extra year for the special circumstance of using a knife. The judge said she gave him the max. If she could give him more, she would have.